If Photopea is giving you an unsupported file format error, don't worry. In this video, I'll show you the quickest ways to fix it step by step. This is a common issue when a file is empty, renamed with the wrong extension, or blocked by a browser extension. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know how to check the file, convert it properly, and test Photopea in a clean browser session so you can get back to editing fast. If this video helps you out, please hit the like button and subscribe for more simple tech tutorials like this. Let's jump right in. First, check the file size. This is one of the most important things to look at because if your file shows 0 KB or 0 bytes, that usually means the file is empty or corrupted. That can happen if a save process failed, the file didn't download properly, or the image was damaged before you tried to open it in Photopea. If that's the case, Photopea won't be able to read it because there's basically no real image data inside. The best fix here is to use a backup copy of the file if you have one. If you don't have a backup, you may need to recover the file from the original source, cloud storage, or your downloads folder. Next, fix the extension. Sometimes a file looks like one format, but the extension does not match the actual file type. For example, a file might be named as a .png even though it was really saved as a .jpg, or the other way around. Photopea relies on the file's actual structure, not just the name you see at the end. So if you suspect the extension is wrong, first confirm what the file really is. If needed, rename it carefully so the extension matches the real format. Just make sure you only change the file extension if you're confident it was mislabeled. If the file type still doesn't match, the next step is to convert it properly. To convert the file, open it in a standard local app like Paint on Windows or Preview on Mac. These simple apps are great because they can often read files in a more forgiving way than web apps. Once the image opens, use Save As or Export and save it again as a standard PNG or JPG. This creates a clean, recognizable version of the file that Photopea can usually open without trouble. After that, go back to Photopea and try uploading the newly saved file instead of the original one. In many cases, this solves the unsupported file format error instantly. If you're still having trouble, the next thing to test is Photopea in Incognito Mode. Open a private or incognito browser window and load Photopea there. This helps you avoid interference from browser extensions, especially ad blockers, privacy tools, script blockers, or security add-ons that may disrupt file reading or uploading. Sometimes these extensions block parts of Photopea's file handling process, which can lead to weird errors even when the file itself is fine. In Incognito Mode, most extensions are disabled by default, so it gives you a much cleaner test environment. If the file opens there, the issue is probably caused by one of your browser extensions. At that point, you can go back and disable extensions one by one in your regular browser until you find the one causing the problem. That's often the fastest way to isolate the issue. Also, make sure your browser is up to date because outdated browsers can sometimes create compatibility problems with online editors like Photopea. So to quickly recap, check whether the file is actually empty or corrupted, fix the extension if it was mislabeled, convert it to a standard PNG or JPG using Paint or Preview, and test Photopea in Incognito Mode to rule out browser extension problems. Following these steps will solve most unsupported file format errors and save you a lot of frustration. If this tutorial helped, make sure to like the video and subscribe for more practical fixes just like this. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.